Welcome to another episode of This Is in My Garage. Today, I'll be working on the Crown Victoria, putting a chin spoiler from a Mustang Mach 1. I ordered it off Amazon. I had it for a while, and today I decided to go ahead and put it on. I'll show you how that goes. So here I have a staple gun, electric staple gun. So the screws came with the package. I don't like these screws. Okay, so first I'll go ahead and line this up. I'll try to center it, and I'll make some adjustments before I do the installation. So here I'm trying to flush or figure out what adjustments I need to do with the chin spoiler on either side. So as soon as I finish measuring, I'll go ahead and I'll use the staple gun. The purpose in using the staple gun is just to hold it in place so I could go ahead and do my marks for the rounded edges. Since the chin spoiler is stiff, it doesn't actually go to this car. It goes to a Mustang. I'll be making adjustments with a cutting wheel. As you can see here, I went ahead and got my paint marker. I'm making some marks around the chin spoiler where I'm about to cut. I know it looks like I'm just making random marks, but I did exactly 13 marks on each side. So as you see here, I got my marks already laid out. I'll go ahead and take this to the cutting wheel, and I'll do some V cuts. As you can see, I did some V cuts here. I did the same on the other side. Doing these cuts eliminated the stress and the tension on the chin spoiler. It actually gave it some flexibility. As you can see here, I'm able to push the chin spoiler in or flex it just to get it in place. Here I'm counting the vent hose on the bumper. I'm making sure I have the chin spoiler in the center. That'll be my first screw hole that I'll place. I pre-drilled it, and then I went ahead and put a screw behind that. So between the two screws that I'm using, this is the Phillips head that it came with, and the hex head with the washer set up on the other. So I'm using the hex head with the washer. It's a metal screw, 3/4 inch long. I prefer using these because it's got the washer with the hex head, and it doesn't actually strip out in the plastic. So far so good, but if you look along the chin spoiler, there's a little curve right there at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and get a heat gun and I'll straighten that out. I already know what a lot of you are thinking. That's a little over excessive on them screws, but that's just making sure that I got support under the chin spoiler. Well guys, Thank you for watching another episode of This Is in My Garage. And before I go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share these videos. 95% are viewing the videos, but they're not actually subscribing to the channel. And they may be missing a lot of content. But if you're watching this, here's a heads up. This is the first video of the year, and I'm starting off the year by doing a giveaway. So this giveaway is a safe with a biometric. It has a key and it also records your thumb. For the 400th subscriber, after I see that I have the 400th subscriber, I'll be choosing a winner for this safe. This will not be the only giveaway I'll be doing this year. I will be doing 3, maybe 4 other giveaways. Once again, thank you for watching.